Hello, I am Dr. Gupta. And this is Dr. Tinker Stank. We are filming here today to inform the public of a potentially terrible epidemic sweeping the healthcare industry.
Tonight's report will entail the evolution of the human immune system and its declining function. Over the past 100 years, advances in medical science have brought about many new medicines, cold remedies, vaccines and so on. The doctors and scientists who have developed these helpful treatments probably had people's best interest at heart. However, these treatments have backfired on the evolution of the human immune system. Now, more than ever, the average human immune system, that is, in industrial countries, has diminished because of our excessive cleanliness and modern medicine.
That's right. This overdosing of medical treatments and procedures has indeed prolonged the average human lifespan. The main problem is this: these thought to be helpful cures have made our immune systems reliant on them, giving rise to various genetic disorders, autoimmune diseases and overly common allergies. Bacterial evolution is also a key area of research because the antibiotics we have used for years have now allowed many different types of bacteria to co-evolve with our evolving immune system. This video addresses the misconception of good medicine and the sophisticated human immune system.
An immune system is a system of biological structures and processes within an organism that protects against disease by identifying and killing pathogens and tumor cells. Many of the weapons of the immune system are found in the blood. Besides the billions of red blood cells, there are many white blood cells. Different kinds of white blood cells are essential to fighting infections and various diseases.
Suppose there's a cut in the skin where bacteria enters into the bloodstream. These bacteria let off chemical signals that alert specific kinds of white blood cells, such as phagocytes that eat the bacteria invaders, and the bacteria are dissolved inside the phagocyte to eliminate them from the body. There are also specific white blood cells that can recognize the same pathogen in a future attack.
Antibiotic resistance continues to expand for a multitude of reasons, including overprescription of antibiotics by physicians, non-completion of prescribed antibiotic treatments by patients, use of antibiotics in animals as growth enhancers, primarily by the food industry, increased international travel, and poor hospital hygiene. One of these very threatening bacteria are Staphylococcus aureus, which is a very common bacteria known to kill because we have no way of treating this type of stuff which is resistant to our antibiotics.
Currently, it is estimated that more than 70% of the bacteria that cause hospital-acquired infections are resistant to at least one of the antibiotics used to treat them. That's a lot.
This bacterial resistance in hospitals creates a very dangerous situation for the patients and doctors.
Allergies occur when the immune system becomes hypersensitive and treats harmless things as pathogenic. The hygiene hypothesis for allergies states that one of the major contributors to allergies is an immune system that was not challenged with enough targets during development.
Therefore, it evolves to overreact to some of the benign targets it encounters, like pollen. Children who grow up in microbially rich environments, like those in third world countries, or even those with pets or lots of siblings, have fewer allergies than children who grow up in more sterile conditions.
Until about 100 years ago, everyone would have grown up exposed to dirt, human waste, animals, worms, and all sorts of unsanitary influences. In those conditions, having a strong immune system capable of reacting to many threats at once would have been a very good thing, something evolution would strongly select for. However, in today's sanitized world, having such strong defenses has backfired. Because sanitation is an extremely recent development and because having most allergies does not decrease reproductive fitness, especially with the invention of EpiPens and hospitals, it is unlikely that evolution will act to select against allergies.
Humans with intense allergies and immune disorders are not necessarily less likely to find a mate to reproduce. So these overactive or defective genes may be passed on to future generations, who will in turn also have defects in their immune responses. These parents tend to keep cleaner homes and have no pets. They also tend to use antibacterial soaps and cleaners for most daily activities. Their children are therefore not exposed to normal pathogens during development, and they too will grow up with hypersensitive immune systems.
So there you have it, folks. We are too clean. Being too clean and taking too many prescription drugs will eventually lead to our destruction. Just ask old Jeffrey here. Poor fellow did not stand a chance against the infection. So next time you think about cleaning a house or taking antibiotics, give your immune system a test. Let your body do its natural job by fighting off all the pathogens for you.